Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video in my eternal search for beads. I found 909 beads on Etsy, and I don't know if you remember, I was using those pyrene shells in jewelry tutorial with the yellow and black necklace, and I found some other ones there, and they were dotted. I don't know if they have any left though, so just gonna put that out there. They had, instead of stripes, I found the dotted ones, but these are called pyrene shells. So if you're looking for them and you can't find them at where I bought them, you can search them, Pyrene. So I got ones with dots. I got a few strands because I didn't want to run out. I need to find more stripes because I have so many ideas planned for stripes and dots that they're so cute. They're such little babies. Aren't they cute? I love them. They make me so happy. I also got a different, so I went there for those. These are called frog shells. I've never heard of shells called frog shells before. These are tiny too. Aren't they adorable? They make me so happy. So, and they're just like a tan, like the normal shell colors that you would get. So I'll keep those right there. I'll keep the strand of these right here. This is really like a half strand. It's like 7.5 inches. This one's a longer strand. I got a bone toggle, so I thought this was really cool. I do have some bone beads that are this blue, but I hadn't seen a bone toggle before, so got one of those. I bought some pendants. So I have this one, which is shell. I got 2 shell pendants and I think a bone. A horn, okay. So this one's inlaid peach abalone pendant. Like a donut. Isn't that pretty? This reminds me of some of my vintage necklaces. Very cool. I love it. So cute. So detailed. And then I got another peach pendant. I think this one's, well, I don't know if it's peach. It's a donut. So this one's red Ring Mosaic. Thank you for labeling this. Yeah, it's just really pretty. I don't know if I have one that looks like this. So I know I don't have one this color, but I thought it was really neat. And of course, I'll leave a link to their shop below. I really liked this horn donut ring. They had it in, I think, 2 different sizes, but I got the larger size. So cool. So neat. Love it. I love it. It looks like wood, but it's horn. And then I got these mustard yellow abacus beads. These are wood. I wish I would have gotten 2 strands because they're so cool, and it's only like an 8-inch strand. They're large, and I just love mustard yellow. I've always loved mustard yellow. I like mustard too. But they're so pretty. I love the shape, the rondelle shape. And then last but not least, these are called Cocoa Tie-Dye 5mm. So they're coconut that have been dyed. And they're so colorful and rainbowy. I'm picturing like a really fun, bright Halloween bracelet with these. But I don't really know where I'm going to go with that idea. So anyway, my favorite things in this haul are these 3. The Abacus beads, the pyrene shells, and the coconut rainbow beads. I feel like I should make something because this is such a short video. Let's see. So there is these are different sizes, and they actually, some of them have squiggles instead of dots, and that's just because they're natural. Made by nature, not by man. All right, so what should I make? I don't really have anything planned for these things. Like I have something planned for these, but I'm not ready yet to make that. So we're just gonna have a really quick huddle, really quick deep unboxing today. So thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll leave links below. Bye-bye. It's New Year's Eve, and she doesn't care that the fireworks have already started. She's just sleeping like nothing's happening. And a couple of them has startled me. She doesn't care. Now, if she was outside, she'd be losing her mind, for sure. But she's not outside. Right, Goldie? Doesn't care. Second the camera came out, she doesn't talk to me. Goldie, I love you. Goldie. Happy New Year. There she is. There she is. Happy, oh my gosh, and the teeth. Happy New Year. Yeah. We love you.